In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to your Wix website. Let's dive right in and start with logging into your Wix account. Once you've entered your credentials and successfully logged in, the next step is to select the specific website where you'd like to enable the comment feature. You'll see a list of your websites on the dashboard. Click on the one you wish to work on. Now, to introduce a commenting system, we need to head over to the Apps section. You'll find this in the menu on the left side of your screen. Click on Apps and then navigate to the App Market. Here's where you'll search for the app that will enable comments on your blog posts. In the search bar, type Wix Blog. If you haven't already added Wix Blog to your dashboard, you'll need to do that now. This app is crucial as it provides the blog functionality necessary for placing comments. In the event you already see blogs on your dashboard, you can skip adding the Wix blog because it's already installed and you're good to go. Otherwise, go ahead and click on Wix blog and follow the prompts to add it to your system. Once you have the Wix blog added, it's time to create a blog post. Go through the usual process of writing and publishing a new post. With your blog post published, the next step is to manage how you want the comments to appear. Locate the comments section directly under your blog post. You should see it quite clearly there. On the top right corner of this section, there's a button labeled More Actions. Click on that button to access a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Comment Settings. Now you've reached the part where you can fine-tune how the comments will work on your blog. You're presented with choices here, and these settings will determine who can leave comments under your post. You can choose to make commenting available for members only, which restricts commenting to those who are registered and logged in, or open it up for everyone, making it more accessible to the wider audience visiting your site. Additionally, you have the option to let readers add star ratings along with their comments, which can be a great way to encourage engagement and feedback. And there you have it. That pretty much wraps up the process of adding comments to your Wix site. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to our channel for more insights and tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy blogging.